standing leg extension, Utthita Hasta Padangustasana. Start in mountain pose. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, shift your weight to your right foot. Feel grounded through all four corners of your right foot. Find your drishti, that focal point in front of you that's not moving. When you're ready, gently draw your left knee towards your chest. Take your left peace fingers around your left big toe. Bring your right hand to your hip. Maybe practice this for a while. Once this feels easy, begin to straighten your left leg long. Maybe reach your right arm high to the sky. Steady your gaze, steady your breath, steady your mind. And then we'll try it on the other side. Feel grounded through all four corners of your feet in mountain pose. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, shift your weight to your left foot. Bend your right knee. Draw your right knee towards your chest. Take your right peace fingers around your right big toe. Take your left hand on your left hip. Maybe practice this variation. Once you feel very stable here, begin to extend your right leg. Maybe reach the left arm high to the sky. Steady your gaze, steady your breath, steady your mind.